Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making champurrado. This is a delicious, creamy and thick chocolate drink, a hot chocolate drink, and it typically comes with maize or instant corn flour. That's how my grandma made it, but today I'm doing my aunt's version. So to start, I'm going to use 3 cans of evaporated milk. Each can is a 12-ounce can. You could also use 36 ounces of whole milk. To that, I'm also going to add 1 tablet of Abuelita chocolate. I'm using a medium to medium low heat. I don't want to burn or scald the milk, so in goes my tablet of chocolate. I'm also going to be adding around 2 ounces of piloncillo. I basically just sort of shaved it off that cone. You could also use 2 ounces of dark brown sugar. I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick, and I'm going to add around 10 to 12 whole cloves. Now the next ingredient is what my aunt does different from my grandmother. My grandmother would use corn tortillas or maseca or instant corn flour to thicken the champurrado, but my aunt likes to use cookies. So I thought I'd give it a try, and it really does give it a nice thick and creamy texture. So I'm adding whole cookies into the mix, and I'm just going to start whisking and mashing this. Now, in hindsight, I probably should have crushed the cookies to better incorporate it, but I like to make things hard on myself. So this is what it looks like 10 minutes after mixing and stirring. The chocolate has dissolved, but as you'll see, the cookies are not completely absorbed or broken apart into the liquid. You could also pop this into a blender, but I'm truly trying to just use 1 pot with this recipe. And like I said earlier, just crush the cookies beforehand and it'll incorporate a lot easier. So I'm going to continue mashing and whisking this until it is nice and creamy. After about 15 minutes of the liquid simmering, I went ahead and removed the cloves and cinnamon stick. So after 20 minutes of mixing and mashing the cookies into the liquid, you will end up with a creamy, delicious champurrado. This hot chocolate drink is perfect for cold winter days. And we have a cold front coming through soon, so already my family is asking for this, so I decided to make it. This pot of champurrado will easily serve around 4 to 6 single servings in a cup. So I definitely hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.